Checking your transaction history on Venmo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your past transactions. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo application on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your transaction history. Step 2. Navigate to the menu. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines with the icon located in the upper left corner of the app. This will open the main menu where you can find various options. Step 3. Select Manage Balance. From the menu, look for the option labeled Manage Balance or Transactions. Tap on it to proceed to your transaction details. Step 4. View your transactions. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Filter transactions optional. If you want to filter your transactions, use the available options to sort by date or transaction type. This can help you find specific transactions more easily. By following these steps, you can quickly check your transaction history on Venmo. Regularly reviewing your history can help you keep track of your finances and ensure accuracy in your transactions.